Number 11. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're here at the house. This is after the track. Got the car, I'm checking it out, making sure everything is good. We got to the track and I have a new microphone and the audio was kind of messing up because I didn't have the cover for the microphone. So when I got to the track, I was showing that I aired down the tires to 18 PSI. Showed that I had full interior, so full weight. I unplugged the ABS sensor that usually the car's out here, but I relocated down here. I said I have a 3.6 pulley, so roughly 12 pounds. And I put some Boostane to keep the octane, you know, on check. And that was pretty much it. I showed that I was there with my kid. Rob was there with the RS3. And Danny was coming in the A3. Marty was coming in the twin turbo V6. And Christina was coming on the SS1 Elite later on today. So me and Rob got some runs first, and then the rest of the guys got some runs, but I'm here to show you my runs, my fun runs. So enjoy. Alright, so car's right there. We did the first pass. We sucked. I left the car in manual first gear because I did burnout. And I know you see that right there. 11.9 and 131. But that's because I left it in first gear, bounced it off the limiter, then I shifted it, and I kind of went down the track. So I fucked that up, and let's see if I can redeem myself for the next time. You got everybody here. Pack right now, so yeah, let's see the next run. All right, here you go, second run. Hopefully we don't mess this one up. Put the car back in drive, put the car back in drive. Drive, put it in 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 drive. Alright, second pass. I got a 1960 foot. I took off spinning, and on the shift I spun a little bit too, so I let off that a bit, but I kind of stayed on it as much as I could. And I got the 10.9, so I got another 10. So it's consistent on the 10.9 and 10.8 since I fixed the trans. But I'm gonna do one more pass and then see if I can, I don't know, keep launching and see if I can stick or go through. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me figure it out and we shall see. Alright, so that third pass was a 11.0 127 with a 1760 foot. So I went slower than the other pass, and it seems like I just staged deep. Like the run felt quick, but it was slower. So it looks like I just staged deep, and I went back to the logs, and timing and knock and all the other stuff kind of looked good. So if I'll show you here a screenshot. If you look, this dark line is the pedal, and at the beginning you can see how easy I was getting into the gas and taking off, and then I let off all the way on the shift because I spun. And on the second run, you can see I was a little bit more aggressive off the get-go, but I still let off on the shift because I was spinning. The car goes a little bit sideways. I need to learn how to, if it's not too much, kind of use the steering wheel versus the gas. I gotta learn. I don't want to do it because I don't want to hit the wall. But the main concern for me is, if you look, my prosthetic, when I put the prosthetic on the brake, I don't know how much pressure I'm applying, so it's kind of hard to tell all the time. So I need to practice and make sure I put enough pressure on the brake so when I'm about to take off, I can hit the gas, load it up enough so when I let off the brake, the car launches. It looks like what I'm doing is, as I hit the gas, I'm letting off the brake too quick, or as I hit the gas, I don't have the prosthetic on the brake hard enough to hold it, and it might be pushing through the beams, or it starts rolling a little bit before the car is actually like, you know, wanting to go fast and launch off. So that's just stuff I need to work on. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you some runs. You'll see Danny and Rob racing on the A3 and the RS3. The RS3 is stock. The A3 has a couple things done to it. I believe it's stage 2, different turbo. And then you'll see Marty and Christina's runs later, probably in the next video. So yeah, enjoy some runs, and see you next time. Peace.